Hey everybody, it's time to go ice fishing on Red Lake, Minnesota. So let's do this. We stayed at Rogers on Red, and for anybody that hasn't done this before, this is my home for the next few days. This is the weekend after Thanksgiving. Everybody parks their campers, aka ice castle trailers. This is Upper Red Lake, Minnesota. That's where we're at for the next few days. So you rent out a spot, you park your camper, your trailer, your ice castle. It's too thin of ice to put the trailers on the lake right now. It's only about 6 inches. So we're going to be pulling our trailer out there with a four-wheeler and setting up a portable clam. And the owners of the resort are Bill and Pat. They just acquired that resort about 2 or 3 years ago. So we have everything on the trailer, bringing it out to the lake, and we're about a mile out once you hit the lake. This was the first time for me. I was invited by my new neighbors up at my property. They wanted me to come experience this with them, and I was really happy they invited me with, because obviously I haven't ice fished a lot. I don't have any videos of it because I haven't done it in like 10 years. So what better way to do it than with these guys who are veterans at fishing on Red Lake. They know the owners of the resort, so that was also nice too. And so as soon as you get out to the lake, usually if there's a little rough patch here, they plow it out. They'll plow out roads to get out to the ice houses, or to be able to get your ice houses out. They do rent them out during the year. If you don't have any equipment and you want to still go ice fishing, you can call the resort and they'll have an ice house set up for you. So that's real nice option. And we drive on the four-wheeler took us about 5-10 minutes to get out here. Once we get out here, survey the spot, drill a few holes with an electric auger. Then they're checking for depth of the water. And even though we're about a mile out, we're still only about 7-8 feet deep of water. It's like a big bowl. It takes a long time to get to deep water. So here I'm just cleaning the ice out of our holes. Been getting lucky right away. We caught plenty of fish the whole weekend. It was a lot of fun. I was only up here for 3 days. The guys that came up here and met up with them, they stayed up there for the whole week. They do this every year. Everybody was super friendly. Everybody that we met, they had some friends up there already. But in case you wanted to see what ice fishing was like in Minnesota, or what it was like up in Red Lake, this is the weekend after. It's like the Super Bowl. They get the thickest ice the fastest. That's why it's such a big deal. We're using minnows at about 8 feet deep. Thanks for watching. Brought some fish home. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe.